Check out this full AI starter kit for action takers. Are you an action taker? Then you will love this tools. This tools will help you start your AI journey. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1. Durable.co, an AI website builder. Go to durable.co. Click Get Started. Enter your business name and niche. AI auto-generates your full website. Copy plus design. Add your product or service. Publish and you're live in under 1 minute. Where can we apply Durable.co? How can it be used? It is perfect for side hustles, freelancers, coaches, or agencies with no coding or design skills. Number 2. Taplio, personal brand growth on LinkedIn. Sign up at taplio.com. Use AI to generate high-converting LinkedIn content. Automate content posting. Track what's working, grow your audience. Build authority, attract clients. Where can we apply taplio.com? How can it be used? It can be used to build a high-value network and monetize LinkedIn without cold DMs. Number 3. FlexClip, faceless video creator. Go to flexclip.com. Use the drag and drop editor. Add stock footage, AI voiceover, and captions. Export your faceless video. Use for Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts. FlexClip can be used to create viral videos without showing your face or recording your voice. Number 4. Pictory, auto content repurposing. Paste your blog or script. AI creates video highlights from it. Add subtitles and logos. Share on multiple platforms. Pictory can be used to turn written content into short-form video for passive traffic. Number 5. Tascada, AI Productivity OS. Visit tascada.com. Choose a template or generate tasks with AI. Organize projects, chat with AI agents, set goals. Great for solopreneurs or remote teams. This can be used to replace 5+ AI tools like Notion, Trello, Docs, ChatGPT in one dashboard. Bonus tip. Let me show you how you can monetize your AI journey. 1. Sell digital products, ebooks, Notion templates, courses. 2. Offer services, copywriting, website setup, video editing. 3. Use affiliate links to promote tools like these. 4. Build an email list with lead magnets. Okay, let's stop here for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.